get right into it. AI agents versus agentic AI. What's the real difference here?
You're already using AI all the time, right? But the next wave is something totally different.
Think about Siri, Google Maps, or Netflix. These are all what we call AI agents.
So let's start with what we know, right? The good old AI agent. What is it exactly?
Basically, an AI agent is a digital helper. It does a specific task, but only when you tell it to.
Yeah, think of it like a really smart employee. Super capable, but it's waiting for your instructions.
And how it works is super simple. You give an input, it does its thing, and boom, output.
All right, but now for the next big step. Let's talk about agentic AI. This is different.
And here's the huge leap. Agentic AI can think, plan, and act all on its own. So instead of a worker, it's more like a digital manager. It takes charge to get a goal done. Its whole process is a loop. It plans, acts, learns from what happened, and then improves.
So let's put it side by side. One follows orders, the other makes its own plans. Okay, this sounds a bit abstract, so let's make it real. Imagine a hospital setting.
Here, the AI agent is great at one thing, like booking an appointment. Simple, clean, done.
But the agentic AI, it's managing the whole hospital. It's optimizing everything to cut wait times.
And you can actually use these today, from ChatGPT to tools like AutoGPT that act on their own.
So why does this all matter? Well, this change from task doer to manager is a total game changer.
We're talking about a massive shift in pretty much every big industry you can think of.
And when industries transform like this, it opens up a huge demand for totally new skills and roles. Jobs like agent architect are popping up. These are people who build and manage these systems. And if you want to get into this field, there's a pretty clear roadmap to follow. But, with all this power comes a huge need for responsibility. It's absolutely critical. Things like fairness, safety, and making sure a human is always in the loop are non-negotiable. Look, this isn't science fiction. The new digital workforce is here. The question is, are you ready?